Calm me down, got one of those boards.
All right,
Okay.
ready? Go.
Alright, this is Thomas and David. We're going to show you how to sand drywall joints with my rigid orbital sander. Plus, we bought these sand net screen filters, which is like a screen filter, and they also give you a Velcro piece to attach it to the sander. This piece here, which basically just gives you a new Velcro surface so it won't wear out as fast. You just put this on the sander, thusly, and this attaches to your vacuum. It'll either fit a small vacuum, or if you have a larger one, the bigger hose, it'll go on the outside ring. I'm using the smaller, it's a little easier to handle. So you put this on, make sure it's tight, then make sure you start the vacuum first, because if you forget, you're going to make a lot of dust. The idea is not to have dust. This sander has a slow start finisher, so it won't make swirl marks if you push it against the wall gently. Like here, I'll start it here on this spot. Just gently push it on, start the vacuum first. When you're done, just to clean it, you just pull it off. The screen comes right off. Now here I got a little paper because I hit the paper, so I just use a brush like this to clean off the Velcro. And unlike using paper discs, this one just cleans out easily. Put it right back on. And you're ready to go. To show you how easy it is, I'm going to let my assistant David try it. He'll show you. He's never sanded drywall. So I'm going to switch with him and show him and see how easy it is to do.